Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to super like on Tinder. Of course, to send a super like you should have a premium Tinder account. So you should have like subscription on Tinder, not just use the free one. So to do this you have just to connect to Tinder and to send a super like. As you can see, there is a blue star in the middle of the screen, in the bottom of the screen near to the green heart. You have just to click on it like that, and like that you send a super heart, or you send a super like. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and if you have any question, don't forget to put your question in the comment section, and I will be sure to answer all of your questions, and see you in the next video.